Crocodiles are one of the largest vertebrate animals on the planet. These frightening creatures belong to the reptile group, which is the same group that includes snakes, turtles and lizards of all kinds. Crocodiles have several relatives that can appear, to the inexperienced eye, quite similar to them, such as the alligator, American alligator, the gharial, the Indian alligator, and the caiman, a very small American alligator, but each of these animals, despite being related to crocodiles, has a special family independently. 1. Crocodile life environment. Crocodiles are water animals. They often live around bodies of fresh water such as lakes, rivers or swamps, but they can also be found in salt water, thanks to special salt glands in their body that can filter the salt from their bodies if the level is too high. 2. All types of crocodiles inhabit tropical climates, due to their high sensitivity to cold. They are found in northern Australia, Southeast Asia, all parts of India, and the Americas, as well as most parts of sub-Saharan Africa. Crocodiles are carnivores, as they eat very large prey. It can hunt fish, birds, crustaceans, and even large mammals like buffaloes, zebras and humans. Natural adaptations of crocodiles. Crocodiles help the membranes in their legs to walk over the ground, and their eyes and noses match the conditions of life in the water so that they breathe and see clearly, as their eyes have a protective membrane between the eye and the eyelid, which helps them to see easily in the water and to provide additional protection to the eye when the eyelid is raised. Also, a feature in the eyes of crocodiles is that they contain a crystalline layer in their background that the rays of light that enter the eye are reflected, which gives them a higher ability to see in dim light during the night, and in fact, most types of crocodiles depend on hunting at night instead of during the day, which spend at rest. 3. Crocodiles also float a lot on water to breathe, as well as anticipating and searching for prey, and their movement is much more fluid and flexible in the water than on land. Crocodiles lay eggs like most reptiles, and the shape of their eggs is similar to chicken eggs, but they are larger in size, less shiny and white. Crocodiles lay eggs in nests of droppings and plants or in sand on the beaches, and the female monitors and protects them, but without incubating or sitting on top of them, until they hatch after a period of 65 to 95 days, and when the eggs hatch, the mother carries her young inside her mouth to the water, and takes care of herself feeding and training them to hunt, and you may continue to care for them for more than a year. 4. The largest species of crocodiles. There are 14 known species of crocodiles in the world now that live on 5 different continents, but the largest of these species is what is known as the saltwater crocodile, which is also considered the largest living creature from the reptile group, and is considered the largest predator living on land in the world. Male. A full-grown saltwater crocodile is usually more than 4 meters long, and its weight may reach a full ton. 5. As the animal's name suggests, it is able to live in salt water, except that it often inhabits swamps, bays, deltas, or low streams. This species is considered the most widespread crocodile on Earth. It lives in a region that stretches from northern Australia, through Southeast Asia, to eastern Indian subcontinent. The biggest crocodile in the world. It is difficult to document the largest crocodile ever in the world, but the Guinness Book of Records jury has approved the adoption of a recorded claim of a giant saltwater crocodile caught in Papua New Guinea in May 1966, and it reached 6.3 meters in length and weighed about 1,340 kilograms. 6. There is also another record in the Guinness Book of a crocodile called Kala, that hunted in Patarkanika Park in India, where it is claimed to have reached 7 meters in length and 2,000 kilograms in weight. There are no documented pictures of any of the crocodiles, and their measurements may not be completely accurate, because they greatly exceed any scientifically recorded numbers of other crocodiles. 7. In general, a government study conducted in Australia estimates that the largest freshwater crocodiles in the world will likely be between 6 and 7 meters in length and weigh about 1,000 to 1,800 kilograms. 8. The largest extinct crocodile. Scientists discovered in 2012 what could be the largest type of crocodile in the world in the sediments of the Turkana Basin, north of Kenya, in East Africa, and it is possible that this crocodile is the largest crocodile known to history so far, which was called Crocodilus thorbjarnarsson, in English, Crocodilus thorbjarnarsoni. This crocodile may have reached a length of 9 meters, and as such is considered to be considerably larger than its modern relatives such as the Nile crocodile and the saltwater crocodile. 9. The lifespan of this crocodile is estimated to be between 4 million to 2 million years, and it belongs to the same genus that includes most of the species of crocodiles currently on Earth, and its species was determined after examinations conducted by geologist Christopher Broku for a period of 3 years in a museum in Kenya on crocodile fossils. It is likely that this crocodile was able to devour humans. The crocodile lived with our ancestors, and it is likely that it was devouring them, said Professor of Geology Christopher Broku at the Kenya National Museum in Nairobi, although through tests they did not find fossils for a human next to it. We don't actually have human fossil remains with traces of crocodile bites, Prochux added. However, the crocodiles were larger than their counterparts today, and we were smaller, so it probably didn't take much to bite. 10.